Welcome back. Now we will use to create a bar chart. We will use this data set to create a bar chart. City frame data we have here. What is there in city frame data? We have area and population, and we have created a plot. For the same thing, we will try to create a bar plot. By using this command, we can create a bar plot. We can change the rotation angle and other things, color and so on, to change the appearance of the bar chart. Now we have this data here. From this data, we'll try to create another type of bar chart and run this. So we can create a chart like this. I will explain the code here. From it shows the top, rather it is showing 15, not 20. From it is showing the top 15 user here, and from matplotlib we have imported PLT. Then data we are reading from this file employee underscore more data.csv. Top n is 15, means we will get a plot of 15. If you see here, this is 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So for 15 entries we will get the data. So that is written here. Top underscore n is 15. Now we will create a bar on the plots. We'll first see this last line. plt.y label, so salary, this is known to you. plt.x label is age, which I will show to you. It is age. So x label, y label, you know how to create now. You know how to title the plot. So plt.title will plot the, will give title to the plot. This is the title. So these things are known to you. So if you count how many line codes is this? This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In 8 line code we have created this plot. Now out of this 8 line, this first one, line. So we got a line, we got line numbers now. So out of these many lines, this line number 2 is known to you, line number 3 is known to you. We'll talk about line number 4, we'll talk about line number 6 and line number 8. These are the 3 lines which are maybe new for you, not totally new. 10, 11, 12, these are already known to you, which are required for plotting the graph. Now in this line number 6, what we have specified, plt.bar, means we have to plot a bar chart, and for plotting the bar chart this data is given. Now in this data we have top underscore n, means till we have a data in this for 25, 30, 45, maybe 100 entries, and we do not want to plot 100 entries. So what we are doing is we are plotting only 15 entries. So top n, this is a variable top n, and how many entries? 15 entries. X in the range, 15 entries. So in the range means starting from, and we are getting 15 entries. Then height equal to data, from the data we'll read 0 to from the start till top n for 15 entries. Whatever is the maximum height for the 15 entry, that will be taken. And we have to plot on height what? We have to plot salary. So this is how this code reads. Then plt x.x ticks. So on On x-axis, if you see here, plt.xticks. So on x-axis we have range. Range means starting from 0 to 15. So 0 to 15. This is the data. This is for 0th person, first person, second person, and so on till 15 data. And then what are we plotting? We are plotting age, and the rotation is 90 degree. So these are all rotated for 90 degree. So both these codes, plt.bar and plt.xticks, will create the bar chart, and remaining things are just supplementary. So if you want this for 10 users, you will get for 10 users just by changing this to 10, and you will get this for 10 users. It is for 10 users. So earlier it was 70,000, which was maximum. Now it is 60,000. If you go further, less number, say we will go for 6 numbers. So it is coming less because it is increasing. The graph is increasing as we move from here to here, from left to right. It is increasing. These values of salary are increasing. That's why you can see if it is 15. Now if it is 15 and we run this, value is increasing and we are getting all entries for 15, top first 15. Similarly, we can draw the same graph in a horizontal fashion. Now this is vertical, we will draw it in horizontal fashion. The only difference that we have to make here is bar h, that is horizontal. So bar h, so this will make the bar horizontal. Remaining things are same, and we will have to change the values from this x tick will change to y tick range. There is age on this axis, so age has to be brought down. Salary has come on the x-axis, so salary will come on the x-axis, and so on. This is one more way in which we can create the data frame. This is one more way of creating the data frame. Same data frame which we have created earlier. This one, it was not having index numbers. So just create it this way, you will get the index number. And this is another data frame of, again, cities. I have created a dictionary of cities, and then I have just said that pd dot data frame, similar to what we did in this case. Similar to that, just create a dictionary and just say that it is a data frame. It will create its own column and everything, and will get indexing from 0 to 12. Now if you want to change both the column order and ordering of the index with the function, we can do it with the function reindex. How will we do this? City frame 1. So this is the data of city frame 1. Reindex, what we want to reindex? Two things. One is index and second is column. Index we want to reindex as 0, then 2, then 4, 6, then 8, then 12, and then 1, 3, 5, 9, 11. And columns we want country first, name, and then population. As of now it is name, population, and country. We want it as country, name, and population. And indexing is 0 to 12. We want indexing 0 to 12, but in this order. We will run this to get the output like this. This can be done by reindexing. To get the name of columns, what are the various columns? We can just type this data city frame 1 dot columns dot values. Then we can custom the index of data frame. This index can be customed. And how to custom the index? In order to custom the index, I have created one more array, this array, and I have just added this to the cities, dictionary of cities, and I am saying that index by ordinals, that is this. and it is giving us this. Now if you don't like this, we want the earlier one only, we can reindex it back by this way, city friends PD Panda, and we'll get it back earlier how it was, this way. Now if you want to change the name of column, suppose the name of column is now name, population, country, and we want to change the name of the column as per our requirement, then we can change the name of the column by this, city, state, name will change to city, country will change to state, population will change to people, and so on. Now this in place is true. If the in place is written as false, then it will create a new data set, new data frame, new not data set, data frame. So by default it is false, means it will always create a new data frame, but we do not want to create a new data frame, then we just write here in place is equal to 2. So there is lot much which can be done in pandas. This much is sufficient, and we will need a lot of time to practice this. We will stop the video here, and you can explore more and keep practicing. Thank you.